Hello, welcome back to part 2, hopefully the last part of building Scratchdown, a new macOS application. If you missed the first video, it's where I built 90% of the app. In this video, I'm going to polish off with a few more vibe coding features, one new feature, and then one or two small bug fixes. And the most part of this video is going to be dedicated to going from I vibe coded a Mac app on my machine, somebody pay me money on the App Store, getting it through that process. And I'm gonna time it just because I like to stress myself out. So, ready, set, go. Where we left off, I sincerely don't know, but I did open all my windows. I do have Scratchdown running right now. I made this yesterday, right after I stopped recording. So let's start here with these smaller bugs. And let's go ahead and do Claude Code. This is where we're at. Let's just do clear here. White text bug. Right. So when I type here, if you look really closely, the text is white and then it turns black, which is really kind of annoying me. It's not super bad. Here we go. There's a small bug in our actual text editor. Right now, I have my font color set to black, basically. However, when I type any letter or number or symbol, it appears white for a fraction of a second before it turns to black. Can you investigate why this might be and how we can fix it? Okay. And while we do that, we'll go with the menu bar icon. I don't have it. I created one yesterday. This guy right here. This guy. Let's save this guy and see if we can figure out how to do that. So I don't actually know how this works really. I have created a menu bar icon for the macOS menu status bar for my app, but I haven't implemented it yet to my knowledge. There could be some code surrounding this, but I definitely haven't uploaded my custom graphic to Xcode. Okay, it's ready to upload. Transparent background .png 20 by 20 pixels. Only black graphic. Okay. Walk me through implementing this, as well as the small menu that will appear when the user clicks it. And also walk me through what I need to do in Xcode to implement this. You know what? I don't know if I have context 7 in. Let me copy this in case I need to do it again. Hang on. Let's go with agent settings. Where are the MCP? Browser automation. I don't care about that at all. We just need to remove that. Installed MCP. I don't have context 7 on here. I thought I did. I thought I did. I don't want to do this right now. This is kind of annoying. I don't care. It's fine. Oh, you know what? We could just do that one in, what's it called? Claude Code right here. I found the issue. The problem is, text did change? That's weird. When you type a character, it's inserted with the markdown styling is applied after a blah, 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 and then blah. That's interesting. Okay. Oh, wait. Keep it working. All right, we'll see if this one works right here, and then we'll run this one in Claude Code just because it already has context 7. And I don't feel like setting up the MCP. MCPs are annoying in Cursor. I don't know, they're annoying everywhere. All right. What else we got? We can start, what can we do here? You know what, let's do a privacy policy in terms of service. Scratchdown app plan. Let's do a new chat. I'm getting ready to submit my macOS app. I'll type this out here. Scratchdown to the App Store for review. But I believe I need a privacy policy on my website. I'm not collecting any data whatsoever for this app. The app itself will be about $9.99 in the App Store, no in-app payments or subscriptions, etc. Before you generate some privacy policy in terms language, walk me through what I need and what I don't need. Also, this app doesn't have its own website, so I was hoping to host it on my personal website. I assume that's probably okay. Okay, so let's test this guy. Let's go refresh the app and type this out. All right. Much better, much better. This is much better. Yeah, make sure everything works. This is a header. It is kind of weird that it like changes the font size as well, doesn't it? Or it just does it right here. Okay, it doesn't do it right there. That's better. All right, I think that's fine for now. All right, let's do a clear. Let's do a little git commit, which is fix white text flash bug. No idea what I'm saying here. All right, let's go this guy. Let's go back over here, do this. Ooh. Let's leave this off. All right, and I'll probably need to, hang on, let's see here. Yeah, what do you not need? Hosting, totally fine. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna open up my personal website, which should be under coding projects, Pete McPherson, that's my name, don't wear it out. Here we go. All right, whoa, what is going on here? Okay, all right. Oh, okay. Your domain scratch down privacy scratch down. Why don't we just do scratch down dash privacy? I don't think I need a terms of service on my website, right? Okay. What you do not need. Okay, all right. Do I need a terms of service on my website? Go ahead and generate a privacy policy draft for me to review. Format this in clean HTML, no divs, IDs, classes, HTML or body tags, etc. All right, what are we doing here? You are, okay, it's searching my thing for the thing. I think I'm gonna have to go into Xcode and create a new like little image set, but we're gonna wait on that just a moment. All right, here is a privacy policy, tracking and analytics. This is basically like nothing, 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 and we do nothing. Yeah, nothing, 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 nothing. Okay, let's copy this. Let's go into cursor and let's do a new agent here. Let's just leave this on auto. Create a new route, scratch down privacy. Okay. Then you do not need, Apple's must-have is the privacy policy URL. Yep. Warranty liability, okay, we're good. Let's fire this open, which will be here. All right. This is weird. All right. Well, let's, yeah, okay. You're going. All right, so it's gonna tell me what to do. We'll come back to this in just a second. Let's go do the privacy policy and finish this up. Header, let's just delete all this. Paste this in here. Okay. Let's find out npm run dev. And let's go to, hey, stop. Scratch. Oh, scratch. Oh, my God in heaven. Scratch down privacy. Oh, this is awful. Okay. Perfect. Although I copied and pasted in my own policy. Please format this page to look nice using Tailwind CSS. How about you? Okay. Lightweight markdown formatting, a simple macOS Notes app. Your notes are stored locally. Scratch does not collect, store, transmit, or share any personal data. Screen does not use third-party analytics, SDKs, tracking. Yeah, ooh, look at this. Okay, privacy. Internet access doesn't. No. Storage, no. Does not knowingly collect any personal data, including children. Changes its policy. Yep, your email here. So I should probably update that. Let's keep this. Let's do const email. Yep. And then, yep. Did that guy mail to email, pete@doyouevenblog.com. No, that's not right. Do you even blog? pete@doyouevenblog.com. Scratch down privacy. Okay. All right. Added scratch down privacy. And we'll push this live. And then we'll go to petemcpherson.com/scratchdown privacy. It's not, it's going to 404 right now, but we'll refresh that in a minute just to see what it looks like. Okay, let's drop this for now. Okay, close you. And let's go back to this app icon. Step 1, create a new image set. Figured that. Let's grab this name right here. So I need to go to the assets thing, which I did yesterday for this guy. Look at that. There's that. How do I do a new image set? Wow, exactly like that. All right, menu bar icon. Hit enter. Okay. Drag your. You should ideally provide. Really? I have to do more now? That's okay. We can do that. Let's do, this is menu bar icon. Yeah, it's fine. Let's drag you into here. And let's go to the other ones. Canva. Wait, didn't I, oh no, I didn't. Hey, what did it do? That was at the very bottom here. I'm trying to find this thing. I think it's here. That's it. Page 23. All right. Download to transparent background. Page 23. And here we go. We're gonna fire up in my Finder. Get that in the downloads folder. Close you, close you. Is this live yet? Yes, it is. Great. All right, downloads. This is this guy? Wait, no. This guy, yeah. So let's name this menu bar underscore icon 2x. All right, so let's make another one here. And this one's gonna be 3x, right? 3x, which needs to be 60. This one, the 2x, needs to be resized down to 40. Got that one. Let's save. And then this guy, uh-oh. Did I rename it correctly? Oh, no, I did not. Okay, 3x. This one should be 60. Adjust size, 60, done. Save that, close that. Grab the, wait. Hang on a second. Okay, this is 2x, and then 3x. 3x. Excellent. Now, let's go back to my instructions. Configure for menu bar use. Select your menu bar icon image set. In the attributes inspector, set render as template image. Oh my God, how do I do this? Render as template image. Wow, that was easy. Yeah. Set scales, single scale. Wait, since you have a fixed 2020, I don't know about that. Scales. Individual scales? I think that's what we leave it on, right? I don't know what that means. I'll ask Claude Code. Okay. I did upload 2x and 3x versions. How do your instructions change? All right. So here we go. Okay, all right. Render as, got that one. Scales, I don't know yet. Add your PNG, I did that. I did this. Okay, update the code. I'll update the code. Update that code then, baby. All right, here we go. Since you have all 3 sizes, here's the updated Xcode steps. Leave scales at default. That's what I thought. Individual scales. Drag your blah, blah, blah. Build and run. Do I need to clean? I think I need to clean. Let's clean it. I always wonder here. It's gonna be product clean build folder. I'm 70% sure this is correct. That's great. That's wonderful. How much time are we at? 15 minutes, mother. Okay. Cross your fingers, guys. Bloop, 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 bloop. Oh, there it is. Look at this. Oh, it's fancy. Show scratch down. Toggle table of contents. Yes. Preferences. I love it. That's so great. All right, now let's do this. It worked. Now, can we expand the icon menu to include the 1, export, 2, export selection. Please analyze how we have the different export formats in the file menu. And 3, the new window, Command M. All right, so this is done. Okay, this is done. Okay, change new window to a brand. Oh, this is the extra feature. I got one more feature I want to add. One more feature. Okay, let's do this one in Cursor. First of all, fixed, what is this called? Menu bar icon. All right, let's go in Cursor. Let's do this one right here. And let's go, I want to add an additional feature, the ability to have multiple different windows. Right now, we already have Command N to open a new window, but this essentially duplicates our main, what do you call this, environment? Environment, if you will. I thought it would be handy to be able to produce different content in the different windows. Command W would close all of the windows, or not the Command W. We would do, all of these windows would open, close together, always. Meaning, when a user presses the shortcut to open their Scratchdown environment, it would open all of the different windows. Let's do planning mode for this, and plan, and go. And what are you doing over here? I forgot. You're doing this. You're doing something. You're doing something useful. Let's get this fired up. Let's check out our menu icon. Export, got that. Export selection. Toggle table of contents, works good. And then I need to like preferences. Yeah, that's fine. Appearance, hotkey. All right. All right, so I'm working on this. Font size. This wasn't working, but I changed it a second ago. Oh, wait. Oh, no, it's background opacity. Font size. There it is. Now it's working. This fixed itself. I don't know what happened, but it fixed itself. Line spacing, same thing. It's kind of weird. It doesn't work great. It's not a big deal. Whatever. Oh, new line after paragraph. Yeah, let's do that one. Let's do that one. Let's do that one over here. Let's go. Yeah, okay, clear. Let's add a new setting in the preferences pane near the font size and line height options. This one will be called add space after paragraph and will be a simple checkbox. Unchecked will be exactly what we have now. But checked will insert a new blank row, etc. after a paragraph when the user presses enter, etc. We could do this via more margin, I guess. Shift plus enter would navigate the cursor to the very next line in this case. Let's just let it fire up. How you doing over here? How should content be stored per window? Okay, each window has its own content, but only for the current session. No, it's always persisted. No. Restored on relaunch, yeah. Switch between documents via UI, this one. How should, yeah. Command N creates a new independent window. App uses a fixed set of windows. No, this one. Disable, no, I like this. Okay. This guy is, okay, we're working in parallel here. Does this matter? Now I understand the structure. I'll implement this feature. Okay. This is man, I've been working too much on the app. We need to get back to this over here. So this is good, by the way. Scratch down policy. Let's grab this. Go into our thing, app privacy. Privacy policy URL, this. Save. Okay. I'm wondering what I'm missing here. Screenshots. I bet I need screenshots of the app. Oh, so annoying. Data is not collected from this app. So I'm going to publish this. It was already published, wasn't it? Published a few seconds ago. Yeah, probably. Okay, app accessibility. I don't think I need to do this right now. Promo codes, Game Center, pricing and availability. Current price is $10, lifetime. Public. I'm trying to think if there's anything I'm missing here. In-app purchases. Oh, you know what? I'll fire off under the thing here. Let's go to the description. I know I got to do this. Let's do a description and we'll do upgraded privacy policy. We'll put that in there and hit save. They really like when you do that. This is going to be, I had this in here somewhere. Scratch down app plan. Somewhere over here. Keywords, no, keywords. Boop. Keywords, okay. More general consumer, will optimize 100 characters. Is that what I'm moving it to? Look at this guy. Do I need spaces here? Oof. Keywords. Separated with an English comma? Is this right? I don't know. Support URL. Do I have a support URL? Pete McPherson / contact. Crap. Marketing URL. Optional. This is optional. Version 1.0. This is all fine. All right, so let's do a check-in here. Space after paragraph settings. Let's test this one, and then we'll start work on this other plan that we had. All right, so right now we have that. And what is the, look at that. I remember the hotkey. Add space after paragraph. All right. Boop. Look at that. Yeah, I love that. That's great. I'm gonna leave it like that too. I like it. All right, let's go to our thing here. Add space after paragraph. All right, and then let's go to build. All right, let's go back and tidy up our stuff here. Do I need a contact page? Oh, crap. Support URL, Scratchpad support. Let's build another one in this personal website of mine, Pete McPherson. Let's go with a new agent. Let's build a new contact route specifically for the Scratch Down app. Make this Scratch Down contact or support. Scratch down contact. Let's do scratch down contact. Create a basic form style with Tailwind CSS that has email required, optional name, and a text area. Okay. This will fire open an email to that with an appropriate subject line, etc. Also, do a drop-down form item with bug report, feedback, bug report, feedback, app idea as the options. Okay, let's just let this roll for a second. Let's fire it open. npm run dev. And this, no, I don't like you. I like you. And then I have scratch down contact. Okay, well, that was fast. Get in touch. Get in touch. Let's fire this open right here and here. Keep that. All right. Scratch down contact. Get in touch. Oh, scratch down. What is this? Contact support. Have feedback, found a bug, or have an idea? Let me know. Okay. Contact. Email, name, category. Category should be required. Category and message should be required. And then send email. So let's just try this. Category. This is a message. Click this. And okay. This one, scratch down contact, feedback, scratch down support. It doesn't matter. 30 minutes already, man. I did not do what I was supposed to do. All right, let's go with come on. Come on. Linter. Okay, stop. Just go. Getting a little impatient at the moment. Keep. Yeah, all right. Added contact route. Okay. Okay. Let's go here. People first. And then this is going to be, no. Scratch down contact. We'll refresh this in just a moment. All right, how are we doing here? Multi-window. Did you do it? Did you do it? That's my question for you. Did you do it? What is this? Run. Likes to test things by itself, doesn't it? Claude Code doesn't do that as much. Whatever. All right, so let's go ahead and grab this URL. We'll put it in here. Support URL. Scratch down contact. I think that's the right URL. Okay. There's no sign in. Contact information. App sandbox information. I don't think I need to do that. Automatic release. App review, notes. Okay, let's do, so I got this. Did I finish everything here? I think I'm good. There's no that, there's none of that. What do I need? This, previews. This is the big thing that I gotta do. Drag up to 3 app previews and 10 screenshots here. Can I do a video? I think I can. How are you doing here? Let's just fire this open. We're almost done. Oh, I'll tell you one more thing I gotta do. How do I can't remember exactly how I do this Xcode thing. Hang on. Look at this. This is a different window, lols. And this one, over here. Wait, where's the, there it is. This is a third window. Okay, let's close this. In fact, let's completely shut down the app. No, wait, let's just close that window. And did this, what happened there? Fire this open. Something crashed when I did that. I'm pretty sure this just crashed. Let's try it again. Uh-huh. Okay, well, it worked. Command W. Interesting. Okay, Command W. What is this? Structure. I need how to thread one? Client error. I don't think that's it. Hang on, let's fire this open again. Build succeeded. Okay. First of all, let's go to Claude Code and say clear. Then let's go simply opening the app. Simply running the app gives these logs in Xcode. Please investigate and see if we need to fix anything. All right. Okay, let's fire open the app, which is right here. So I can click this. It closes all of them. What is this guy? This works. All right, now we're okay here. That's weird. Okay, when I do Command W, something happens. All right, here we go. Let's keep this. Thanks. It's working pretty well. When I press the shortcut that opens the windows, all the windows open, and when I press it again, all the windows closes, and we are good. However, when the windows are open and I press Command W, all of the windows do close, but they won't reopen. And I think we are running into a bug or a crash. There's nothing specific in the logs for this. Please investigate and make sure we're good. All right, this guy. Verdict, no action needed. These are probably just system things. Apple's text input. Okay, all right. So let's clear this out. I'm good, right? Place. All right. Oh wait, I didn't want to do that yet. Let's let this run. Getting close. I think I should just fix this. What do I do here? Screenshots. Drag up to 3 app previews and 10 screenshots here. Okay, so here we go. This is cool. The last thing I need for App Store submission are screenshots. What should I show exactly? I think I need up to 3 at least. Should I also do a screen recording video? I don't know. 33 minutes. How many? 3 minimum, 4 to 5. Okay, what to show? The hook. Instantly explain what this app is. So, scratch down window open, neon yellow background, markdown in action. Okay. Let's do, I like these. Here's what I want to do. Let's go to a new chat and do, please generate some fake markdown. I don't know what to do here. To-do list. I need some temporary fake markdown. No, I don't want to do this. Ugh. Frustrating. Let's go back to our thing here. You still working? It's gonna build. Yeah, all right. So let's, oh, it didn't open all of them. So this is weird. Look, it has this one here. A little bug happening. It's all right. This one is gonna be to do. Finish, scratch down. Take dog for a walk. Take dog for a walk. This is gonna be drink less coffee. Pick up kids. Dry cleaning. Let's do a remember. You got this. All right, let's do this guy. Our things are really transparent. The what's it called? You know what I mean? These things, that's weird. We can change that. Oof. Let's do that for now. All right. Let's open Scratchpad for a second. And I'm literally just gonna like replace all my stuff. Scratchpad. Okay. Yeah. Scratchpad. I think I can do this. Yep. I'm gonna copy this entire thing. Close you. And put it in here. Boom. Okay. And let's go with Mamas. Instead, let's do this. And then, I need to do a search function. I should do that. Screenshots. I wanted to do one more, like, what's it called? Oh, that's interesting. It does it on all three. Not sure I'd want to do that. Maybe I can change that. Eat my pics. There we go. That one. That. List gadget. Okay. Oh, whoa, what just happened? There we go. Let's get EG drum tuner. Let's go back to list gadget. I'm just like formatting this for things. To do. Do something more better. All right, so this one we're going to do up here, like really close. And then this one, we're gonna put down different shape here. Let's like put it right underneath this one. Maybe like right here. And then this one. Let's make this one like really small. I did that one, and let's make it this. This is a third window. Third window. I like to eat pizza, ice cream, sandwiches. Nothing healthy. Okay. Okay, let's close this. We will, for now, let's close all this. Scratch down. No, wait. Let's close that guy. All right, I'm getting this. Changes made. So let's fire this open. Make sure we're good here. And then we'll do some screenshots. Oh, and so what is this? I don't know what this is. First of all, let's close that and let's reopen. Now we're good. Oh, I need to shut down this guy. Oh, it's not working. Activity monitor. Search for Scratchpad. Not scratch down, Scratchpad. Close it. Super annoying. All right, now we're good. So for this. That's better. Perfect. One more bug. When there is a unused blank window that doesn't conform to my custom background colors, etc., that keeps appearing. Not sure what's going on. So let's scratch down. So let's quit scratch down. I need to figure out like a little bit more about this. What's going on? Let's rerun it. It happens when you first open the app. Okay. It appears in the middle of the screen when I first fire up the app. If I run Command W, all of my windows, the correct windows appropriately, I gotta start talking, appropriately close, but the rogue window does not. Is it, let's see, it's still open. It can be closed. It can be closed, but I'm not sure. Why it opens in the first place. Let's just see what this does right here. All right, so I need to do a few things here. First of all, let's refresh. Make sure this works. We're good. Okay. Screenshots, man. Whew. Markdown plus yellow, hotkey opening, autosave persistence. I don't know how to do that. Write the exact overlay. Yes. Wait, hang on. Where is the canvas? Oh wait, stop. Overlay text. Yeah, here we go. Okay, so let's go in Canva. Let's go with, what do we want to do here? We got to get the correct, hang on, how do we do this? I want to take a full screen, capture full screen. Shift Command 3. So let's run that as a test here. Shift Command 3. Boom, look at that. Save that. Let's go with, let's just see what file size, 34, okay, so it's huge. What do we need here? I want like 2880 by 1800. Let's do a big one. Create custom size, 2880, 1800 pixels. Create new design. Cool. All right, so I need my pink color. Let's go with, that's not it. That's it. Where's my pink color? Right here. FB, that one. Okay, close you. Let's go here. Let's do a, let's just see what the like ridiculous pink looks like. Okay, let's duplicate that. Let's go with a frame, a laptop frame, laptop frame. Has to be a Mac. Graphics, that's this. Frames, that looks pretty good. Ooh, this one, that's the normal one, right? And then I can do like this big guy. How does this work? What does the stuff look like? Let's search for, let's just look at something really quick. Ulysses, your new favorite writing app. And it has this funky crap, which I kind of can't stand, by the way. I'm just saying. That's cool though. Was it the only two? You're supposed to have 3. Oh, okay, that's fine. Yeah, so it's got like this little, this app makes my job easier and is worth every penny. So, okay. This is tough. All right, let's go back. Let's check out another one. So this one has little things down here, background, 2-week trial, introducing, big text at the top. It's pretty cool, I guess, right? I could just take screenshots of the actual thing. Okay, let's, man. Okay. All right, this is taking a while, isn't it? 15 minutes to be under 2 hours for this total project. I think we can still do that. So let's close this. Okay. Unable to open mock-O at path. I think we're good though. This is working. If I do Command W, it closes. Open this. I think we're okay right now. Let's do a git command. Okay. Implement multi-environment. All right. I should put this in GitHub just to like save that thing there. Okay. All right. Let's do, before I do the screenshots, let's archive this. I need to, question. Oh, how about this? Question. Do macOS apps typically go into test flight just like iOS apps? Either way, walk me through sending my current build to the App Store Connect. I'm ready to start pushing it live. Also, where do I update my version numbers for this macOS app? Let's do this guy. Okay. I'll tell you what, let's go with sticky notes. I just want to see what kind of screenshots we got here. Sticky notepad. We got this one. Sticky notes. See, this one, they took like screenshots of like the individual things there. Sticky notes and menu bar. I want to do my first one like this. This is cool. Let's do my first one like this. So I'll take an entire screenshot with my thingies open. Do you get that? Do you make it? All right, so here we go. I got this. Create app in App Store Connect. I've already done all that. Archive your app. Product archive must have any Mac. Oh, that's the thing. Yeah. So right here, any Mac. And then you just do product archive. Pretty sure. Let's make sure we're doing this like product archive, any Mac, similar to wait for build to complete. This takes a couple of minutes. Product. Wait, no. I got a key tips. Increment build number. Where is that? Version only changes for new releases. Yeah. Wait. Where is my... Oh, here we go. Xcode target general identity. So we got to do this guy, and then this guy, and then there's version right there. Oh, that's because that's identity. Ah, that's what he's talking about. Build 1. Oh, I like how they have this. That's cool. All right, so any Mac, product, archive. Go, baby. It'll take a few minutes. While we're doing that, let's... Oh, crap, I can't run the app. Distribute app, right? Let's just follow this. Distribute app, App Store Connect, upload. That's right. Yeah. Version. No, okay. Distribute that one. App Store Connect. Okay. All right. So screenshots, and then I'm done. Screenshots, and then I'm done. App Store Connect, analysis, response. All right. Okay, so let's think about, I think I have to wait here. Submit, test flight, the build appears, add testers or submit to external testing. Do I have test flight on my thing? No, I don't. App Store. Is test flight a Mac app? Test flight. I bet it is too. Yeah, it is. Okay, let's download this. Open. Should be welcome to test flight. Cool. There should be nothing to do. Yeah. All right. Cool. So I got that. Those are cool. Just looking at like screenshots here. Sticky notes. Okay. Sticky notes. This is the one that I saw that I was like, I probably do redo this one. I don't know if there's a great way to do this. I think we're good here. So let's clear this. Xcode, it's not quite done yet. I'm really close. Markdown, this gadget. Okay. How do I I should like close out the rest of these maybe when I take screenshots. I think so. Except I'm recording myself. Terminal, I think we're good. Let's close you out. Yep. Thank you, you've been helpful. Cursor, thank you, you've been helpful. What do we got? Xcode still working. Chrome, got that. I'll have to come back and do these. All right. The hook, most important. A lightning fast scratch pad, markdown notes, markdown sticky notes. How about that? Markdown sticky notes. Instantly, one hotkey. It's okay, right? That's okay. Clean desktop background. Yeah, I definitely want to do that. Okay, I don't know how to do that with my screen recording. We'll find out, I guess. That's taking a while. I guess I could like try and minimize everything. How do I minimize all? Can I do that? You guys can go down. This guy, you can close. How do we do this? I don't know how to... You guys can't see this on the screen right now, but I can see where I'm recording this video. So I gotta figure out how to close that. Take my screenshots. I mean, I guess I could do it in post. I don't know. What do we got? Finder. What is this? Oh, this is Xcode. Okay. All right. Wheel. Why is that taking so long? Well, I'm gonna pause my video and just come back in a minute. I'm gonna pause my video. All right, it's been 10 minutes. Haven't touched my computer, but I did see this message. So we're good in version 1.0. Let's close this guy down. Are you sure you want to close? Stop the task. Oh yeah, stop task. Oh crap, but I need to take screenshots. No problem. Damn it. I forgot. Oh man, all right, so upload tools. The build should be uploading, right? Oops, see, apps, scratch down. Okay. It should have a build coming up here pretty soon. It said it had been delivered. Upload your build using one of the tools. No builds. No builds. Okay, I gotta figure out what's going on here. Maybe it just hasn't shown up yet, right? Let's fire this open. Okay, well, I'm kind of at a loss here. I can't do anything for the moment. That was like 99% of the work. I don't want to do this right this second. I want to come back and do this later when I have more energy. I'll tell you what I'll do. No, last thing. I'll skip the screenshots for now. I don't really want to think about that. I'll think about that in a day or two. I want to get this uploaded. What's going on right here? So Xcode. This, I don't know what's going on. Stop. Although I'm not gonna, I need to do one or two fixes, don't I? This one, I did this, and then I did the archive thing, but it didn't actually show up. It didn't actually show up. Terminal. CD coding projects, CD scratch down, Claude, and then we'll do resume. I think it was the last thing I did. Yeah. Here we go. After processing. Usually it shows up before, while it's processing though. That's interesting. Okay, I did this, but it's still not in test flight at all. It doesn't even show it appearing as, as in process, etc. How should I diagnose? It should be there. It never takes this long on anything. Scratch down. There's nothing here. Okay, check email for Apple. Apple emails you. That's true, they do, don't they? Uh-huh. Okay, fire open the emails. No, come on. Bloop, bloop. I don't really feel like doing screenshots. Oh, look. Okay, here we go. There was an issue. The product archive is invalid. The info.plist. Oh, okay. I found it. Thank you. All right. Okay. Okay. I found an email for why it didn't work. Can you help me fix this? Oh, wait. Sorry. There's the email. Okay. It needs to have a info.plist. LS application category type is a valid category. I need a category for my app, is basically what that's saying. Okay, no problem. This is not even remotely I don't know what this stuff is. Okay, here we go. No problem. I don't think I need this in my project file. I could do it in Xcode, but I don't know how to do it. Right? Category. Where is that? Oh, no. Where is, like, category? Info? Look at this. It's probably one of these. I probably have to do a new one. Oh, no, those are custom. I don't know. Copyright, human readable, info.plist settings. I don't know if I need to do this or not, but we'll just do this. It's fine. I actually think this is okay. While we're doing this, I'm gonna work on the app more. Screw it, man. Here we go. Cursor. One more thing I want to do here. And that is let's work on my multi-window, new window, and I can't spell this word, environment feature, i.e. each window has its own content environment. At the moment, clicking the red dot to close a window closes all the apps window environments. We need to change this. We should be able to close individual windows at will. Note, the main open shortcut that opens all of the windows should also close all of the windows. Or perhaps it should, wait, how do I want to do this? Should I just like, I think we should, that's a good question. I don't know how to do this. Meaning, I don't know what I want. Should close all the windows. Command, space, etc. Okay, question before we code. Should closing a window completely permanently close it and lose all the content? I'm kind of thinking it should. Else I don't know how to explicitly open a specific window. And I want to keep this app simple. Let's do this ask. What do you think? Okay, this should be done. Next steps, increment your build number. Yeah, build 2. Create a new archive, upload again. Okay, I'll do that in a minute. Thank you for your help here. Let's go to Xcode. Let's go ahead and change this guy, the build number to 2. Oh yeah, I want to use this button. Fancy. Oh, what? That's lame. I thought I would increment it. Okay, build is 2. However, before we run the thing, here we go. Inherent behavior. Recommendation, permanently close and delete. Simpler, no hidden close state to manage. Clear. Closing a window removes it and its content. Users know what happens. Avoid confusion about reopening specific windows. Implementation plan. Close only the click window on close. Okay. I'll tell you what. I think we should continue to close all windows and save them for reopening later with Command W. However, if a user clicks the red button on a specific window, then we will essentially delete it permanently. Does that make sense? I think that's what I want. Yeah, ensure at least one document always exists. Yeah, that's a good idea. The key change, all right. Yes, and let's put this on agent. Let's also implement a warning confirmation box when a user does this. All right, so we'll see if that works. And there was one other thing I wanted to change. What was it? I was using the app. I'm not using it now. It's a build cannot be, oh wait, hang on. Yeah. My Mac, let's run this guy. Build succeeded. There was something else, but I don't remember what it was. Yeah, I remember. There was one more thing. I can't remember what it was. Whatever. Let's just watch this work. Oh wait, you're done already? All right, let's try it. Replace you. And I would like to close this third window. Oh, it was the top bar. Delete window. This will permanently delete this window and all its content. This cannot be undone. Look at that. Let's delete this one. Oh, I love it. Let's open up a new one here and let's do this. Oops. This is a third window. Look at that. Okay. Okay. That works well. One more thing. Implemented close individual window. All right. Next thing. Oh wait, we gotta keep this. Did that work? I always wonder about the save state in cursor. All right, last thing. Right now, what is this called? The top of each window, as in where the red, yellow, and green dots are. Okay. Right now, the top of each window, i.e. where the macOS green, yellow, and red dots are to close the window, etc. This top bar, I can't remember what it's called, doesn't follow the background opacity that is set in the preferences pane, although preferably it should. Let's just, let's see here. Let's do 5.2 codecs and hit enter and just see what happens. Yeah, it's easier to see with a different background, isn't it? Like this is black. Let's, and this, when I do this guy, this, right? That's interesting. Okay. There's a few little bugs, or not bugs, but little additional features I can already think of that I want to do. But this is part of it right here. I want to take a screenshot of this in a minute, maybe. Okay. This video has been going a while, man. 114? This is crazy. It just goes to show you, every time I make one of these videos, it's like, can I make an app in 30 minutes? The answer is no. You can do a lot. You could do a lot of actual vibe coding in 30 minutes. The core of this app was done in less than an hour. But I did all the other stuff kind of at the same time, and that's not optimal for focus, productivity, obviously. Not right. If you'd like me to test, adjusted the root. Okay, so let's refresh this guy and see what happens here. Let's fire open the preferences. Oh, that's interesting. So now it has the same color. This looks better, doesn't it? That's interesting. Oh, I see. It has that. Oh, okay. All right. So let's, this looks pretty good. That's better. Should this be, I don't know. That's fine. I think it's pretty good for now. This is better. I'm happy with that. Let's make a git commit here. Let's keep that. Fixed window header bar. All right. One more thing. Go here. Keep window on top. General appearance and then hotkey. Okay, hotkey. Delete on the hotkey preferences pane. Let's do this. On the hotkey preferences pane, oh, there seems to be two labels. Remove the window and table of contents. Labels. Remove the window and table of contents labels. Keep the, what was it? Toggle window, toggle sidebar. Toggle window and toggle sidebar. All right. Let's just do this on auto so it's nice and speedy here. And then I think I'll be good to toggle window, command space, toggle sidebar. Do I need anything else for that? I got new window, export. That's probably be command E. I don't think I want to do a hotkey for this. Excuse me. Show all windows, close all windows. I don't think I need that. That might be like by default though. All right, let's make sure this runs. Refresh this guy. And check this out. There you go, that's better. General, launch at login. That's weird, that one isn't enabled there. Keep window on top, launch at login. That's weird. Keep window on top. Yeah, okay. All right, show doc icon. Whoa, you see that? It still works. It just didn't do the thing. All right. But I can go here to access the preferences. Yeah, okay. Cool. All right, let's, man, I think we're good. Did I, hang on, I need to change anything here. Yes. Small language change in preferences. All right, clear this. All right, close you. Close this. I got build number 2 here. I got to target this and go to product, archive. As soon as this is in test flight, I am going to stop recording this video because it's been too long. Distribute, scratch down. Thank you guys for watching. I don't think I'm going to do any more. I think I got to do some screenshots that I'll upload. But other than that, I think we're pretty much done. There might be 1 or 2 small things I missed in App Store Connect. I'm guessing. There usually is. There's like 1 or 2. I'll hit add for review and then 1 or 2 things like usually pop up. Like, hey, you didn't do this, you didn't do this. But I got my support URL, I got my privacy policy, privacy settings changed and stuff here. I got the privacy policy linked in the description, which is always important. They love that. I got my pricing set. I'm not doing promo codes or Game Center, app privacy. It's already good. Accessibility's there. I'll choose my build once that's uploaded here. Oh, look at that. That's why it took so long the first time, is because there was a problem. I'm guessing. So now, if I go to test flight, there we go. Look at that. Oh, now this one says failed. All right, so this will take like 10, 20 minutes. I'll do the screenshots later, today or tomorrow or something, and then submit it. Thank you guys for watching. It's been fun.